Welcome to Trani's restaurant. My name is Simone. I come from Parma, Italy. And if you come here, you sign in for a very good time.
Way I'm getting these clams out. These clams come from back east. Unfortunately, they're farm raised, but that's the way the law. That's the new law, and they come from Florida. So I'm opening up a new package. I'm opening up a package right now, and we're going to do Trani's. We're going to do Trani's famous Linguini fresh clams, which my father taught me in the early '50s how to make it.
How famous are they?
Yeah, they're pretty famous. It became worldwide. I mean, I think I give my brothers credit for the linguini and for the big boom, clam boom during the 50s and 60s. Literally, my brothers used to go down to Royal Palms in San Pedro and fill up pepper and chini containers of ocean water, and they soaked the clams. Clams used to come in bushels, and they were always loaded with sand. So my brothers would soak it in ocean water, and they'd spit out the sand. Now everybody does that. Come on over here now. What I'm going to do here, these have already been purged. There's no sand in them, so I'm going to put some hot water, and I'm going to steam them. And I'll tell you the recipe, but what the heck. Life's too short, so we have to do it.
He just wants a side salad.
To enhance things, I put a couple of scoops of chopped clams in there, just to make it look better. That was my addition. Okay, I'm gonna season it right now. Season it right now. I'm gonna put a heaping tablespoon of butter. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and we're going to put a teaspoon of oleo for the garlic. And that's it. 5 minutes, it'll be ready to go. While it's cooking, I'm going to have somebody take a picture of Mike and I, just to show you how much we look alike. Okay, here's the finished product after 5 minutes of steaming them out. And check out that photograph of me and Mike and give me your opinion. Okay, I'm taking the clams out right now, all ready to go. They're all fresh clams. Got the juice. Do a spiral of linguini, which will take about 1 minute to cook.
One more time, say that again.
Take a spiral of linguini, takes about 1 minute to reheat. Okay. Here we have fresh Italian parsley from our garden.
Looks fantastic.
He's done. down cook some of the clam juice down.
What is that you just did?
That was just a little more aioli, just to give it a little more flavor, a little more color. Okay, here we go. We're approaching the finished product.
Ooh, that looks great. How old is this
Okay.
recipe?
Probably about 70 years old. The finished product. Little Italian parsley on top.
So we don't have sea bass, right? No sea bass and no swordfish?
No. I'm going to put order to come in right now. Okay. And we top it off with a little bit extra virgin olive oil from Italy.
Ischia?
Ischia. There you go. Okay. Finished product. Bon appetit. It's ciabatta bread. It's the best bread you'll ever eat.
You put that on the plate.
There you go. Yeah. Fresh ciabatta bread. To die for. Come on, let's go in the bar. You want to sit at the bar?
Yeah.
Married your daughter. We got married in the house.
Oh, wow.
And I got invited, but I couldn't go.
Oh.
They had a banister. Love you, mean it.